Sun just set, and there's an incredible amount of physics to be learned looking at these waves and going through shallow water. What I'm looking at is I'm looking at waves traveling in towards the beach, and then waves reflecting out through the waves that are traveling in, meaning waves coming in, bouncing off the beach, and reflecting back out. Now, while they bounce back out, you can see the incoming wave interacting with the outgoing wave. What do we call it when one wave interacts with another? Let me think. Wait a second. I think that's called interference.